So she tired of the cold, so she want me not throat. She said, Daddy, you're the legend, you're the big coat. So make every girl know the day in the road. Muma, come here, make me give you one quick round. Touch your pussy and call my name. Some girl only pretty pan holiday. You know fucky one man you take. And yeah, me see her from a mile away. Come here. And girl, you pretty enough to hide your face. You get anything you want, you can have your way. Pretty in a real life, filter face. Exclusive, extraordinary. Position, make me cock you up. Roast on your clit is not enough. Selfish with you when me have you up. If arguments start, girl, me bend you over. Back it up for me, you know you can't leave me. Say me cocky, yeah, you suck it like sweetie. Tongue pa me nipple, girl, you know you taste. Stop it. Say me cocky, yeah, you suck it like sweetie. Now join up, make your waistline call me. Wind up, so rave na the party. Climb up, girl, brace pa the fatty. Here, set the bubble gum sweet, one chat this. Touch your pussy and call my name. Some girl only pretty pan holiday. You know fucky one man you take. And yeah, me see her from a mile away. And girl, you pretty enough to hide your face. You get anything you want, you can have your way. Pretty in a real life, filter face. Exclusive, extraordinary. Link up, shot o'clock. Hey girl, just drink up. Your fat, now your shots well print out. If I know me, I tell the lanes are your ringtone. Pull up on your girl, you can't see me car tint up. Pretty and you know it, girl, you don't need a editor. Can't compare, no competitor. You really listen, girl, who give the pussy to any man. You follow up your style and still can't tell it. Touch your pussy and call my name. Some girl only pretty pan holiday. You know fucky one man you take. And yeah, me see her from a mile away. And girl, you pretty enough to hide your face. You get anything you want, you can have your way. Pretty in a real life, filter face. Exclusive, extraordinary. Your side man spend on you, make your main man jealous. Him no fuck you cool, so you have feel left the waste, man. Badness. Rvssian, we response to you, girl, yeah.